Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the cataract. So, a cataract is a clouding of the lens of the eye which can cause blurry vision, difficulty seeing at night, and sensitivity to light. Cataracts are most common in older adults, but they can also occur due to the injury, certain medical conditions, or as a side effect of certain medications. Treatment for cataract typically involves surgery to remove the cloudy lens and replace it with an artificial lens. Treatments consist of surgery when a cataract interferes with someone's usual activities. The cloudy lens can be replaced with a clear and artificial lens. This is generally a safe and outpatient procedure. So many people have the questions regarding cataract, so we will see one by one. So first question is, what is the main cause of cataract? Most cataracts develop when aging or injury changes the tissue that make up the eye's lens. Protein and fibers in the lens begin to break down, causing vision to become hazy and cloudy. Some inherited genetic disorder that cause other health problem can increase your risk of cataract. Second question is, what are the three types of cataract? So common type of cataract, age related, is by far the most common type of cataract, and it is divided into three types based on the anatomy of human lens. There are nuclear, sclerotic, cortical, and posterior subcapsular cataract. Third question is, how to avoid cataract. The significant way of preventing and annealing the vision due to loss of cataract are discussed in the article. So modify your diet, protection from ultraviolet radiations, stop smoking, control your blood sugar, avoid trauma, avoid the unnecessary use of steroids, and visit to your eye doctor. Fourth question is, can cataracts grow again? So during cataract removal surgery, the cataract damaged lens is completely removed from the eye and replaced with an artificial lens called as intraocular lens implant. This new artificial lens cannot develop a cataract. That means the patient will never have a cataract in that eye again. So we can finally say that cataract doesn't grow again. So you may like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.